Hi binary options traders, my name is AJ and today I'm going to be showing you a form of new strategy that I've been testing out for the past 3 or 4 days, and I'm going to share it with you. But disclaimer right up front, this is not for new people, this is not for the faint of heart, this is not for people who have no idea about the underlying asset, don't have knowledge of it, etc. This is for people that are going to put in a little bit of risk. This is like any other kind of option really, but this is a little more dangerous, this system. So I would recommend, if you're not sure about it, still watch the video, keep it in your back pocket for later, but don't use it as yet until you have the confidence to use this. So as you can see here, it's a Euro USD option. It's a call option, and it was taken at 2:05 a.m. and it was an expiry for 2:45. However, I closed out way earlier at 2:15. What this system involves with is that brokerage houses around on the net, and I'm going to call them loosely brokerage houses, but basically what they like to do is they like to close. Sometimes they offer a closeout. So let's say, for example, your trade goes south and none of your indicators, none of your technical analysis, none of your price action said that this would happen, but let's say it's an outside market factor, and your trade goes completely south. You can still recover even a tiny amount of money, even it may be 50 cents, $1, $2, and you can get that back if you were going to close out earlier than the expiry time instead of the zero that you will get at the expiry time. However, it also works in the inverse. For example, on 24 option, if you're 3 to 4 pips, let's say on a call option above your original strike price, it will offer you your invested amount plus a little bit of extra cash. And this can increase quite a bit, usually up to, I would say 50% of what of profit on your original investment. Now, of course, that's lower than the payout rate that you would get if you waited to the expiry time. But let's say, for example, you're not sure about it, like I wasn't sure that this would stay the same till 2:45. So what I did was I closed out, and I got $6.11 of profit. Now, that doesn't sound like much, but it's the little things that count. I mean, you can't go broke taking your profit. That's the honest truth. And although that binary options are more about finding the right entry point and getting it right and being certain of the price, this system is more about, or I don't want to say system or even the word strategy, but this method is just about getting in at the right time, looking for support and resistance levels, buying at that support and resist, or placing a call or put option at that support or resistance level, and then waiting for it to move by that 3 or 4 pips, and then collecting that profit. So you don't have to worry about the actual end expiry time. You just have to make sure that it just moves by that 3 or 4 pips, so you can collect your profit. So here, for example, I'm just going to increase it. Here we go. So here is the chart, and as you can see over here, this is where I place my call option. And as you can see, I drew on my little line over here, and I felt this was an area of support. So as you can see, as it ticked up and moved all the way back to this point, right before this candle, I sold it off. So the point of the matter is, obviously this is not your traditional method. This is just an extra way of guaranteeing your profit. This system is more designed for really nervous traders. It's basically a game of chicken, really, that this brokerage sites put out. It's basically, if you chicken out, you can basically get some of your money back, or you can take some of your profit off the table, or all your profit off the table, basically, because it's a binary option. So again, use this method to your advantage if you can. I've used it a couple of times in over the last couple of days. So for example, I have another one which is included in the screenshot package. I put 2 trades here on the USD CAD, and I closed out higher. And I mean, as you can see, they're both $25 investments, and I claimed $2 profit on this one and 7 cents, and this one's $4.08 profit. Not much, but if especially like 2 a.m. in the morning, you're not exactly the best judge of how a trade might be going. So you can definitely close out and take that profit. So that's basically the video. I know this is not your regular trade. I promise to have an actual proper trade in the coming days, if not tomorrow. And but I felt like, I know it's Memorial Day in the United States, but I felt I could just put this extra video out. And if you learned something from it, cool. If you didn't, thanks for watching anyway. Just a reminder, if you aren't subscribed, definitely subscribe to the Happy Forexer channel. And also I'm going to throw out, just subscribe to my channel too, free advertising for me. But basically you'll get updates of when my videos come out, and you can watch them too. And also I'll remind you to go check out the Happy Forexer channel, which is, you should definitely be subscribed to that one, because it's an excellent channel, great resource of information. You see the trades happening live, you see the profits, and basically it's a really excellent education comparatively to, you have all the books and articles and all the different videos you can watch, but there's nothing, I don't think it can be beat watching an actual trade taking place and figuring out the right strike point and the right entry point for the trade. And that's information that you just can't find in regular books or in videos like that. And that's why Happy Forexer channels is an excellent channel to have in your subscription list. Anyways, hope you learned something. If you didn't, thanks for watching, and have a great day.